Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. Today's video is all about a doll a week. So the doll that I'm going to be showing is Love Jaylah. She is an actual Blythe doll. I got her about, it's been a little over a year ago. And she was actually the most recent star in the Virtual Blythe Retreat, which is an event that my sister and I host. We've done it for the last 5 years, and it's all except for the first time. It's always been in June. I think the first time we did it in September. But anyway, Jaylah, she's the star of Virtual Blythe Retreat 2026 because she was actually the grand prize. So the reason we chose Love Jaylah is because our theme is dance like no one's watching. And in our opinion, we thought she looked like a hip hop dancer and perfect for different workshops that we wanted to do. And anyway, isn't she pretty? She's got gorgeous eyes. Let me go through the eye chips. I love these blue ones. And then we got this side facing really dark brown. And look at those green ones. Those are really pretty too. And then we have some lighter brown ones side facing. But I'm going to put her on the blue. They just pop with her skin. Now I have to say, the only negative about this doll is that she's really hard to take pictures because of her very dark skin. I struggle taking pictures, and she's very shiny, so that kind of inhibits good photography when it comes to me. Now, as far as the Virtual Blythe Retreat, we had, like I said, we had several workshops that worked really well with her. One of the workshops we did was this chain necklace. I taught everybody how to make a clasp and this simple necklace here. We did pants and a top. Let me show you this on Malabar. I already have a doll a week done on her, but we did this top, we did these pants, we did another necklace, earrings to match, and this little charm to hang on her eye pole. We also did a slouch hat. That's kind of why her hair's all messed up. It was just crocheted little beanie here. Got it rolled up, but it kind of slouches down. We did a visor. Part of the reason her hair's all messed up too, because I just took them off. We also had a workshop on hair, and we had these little charms that we could put in their hair that also acts as a stitch marker if you want to do some crocheting. We had several special guests. One did a video on photography. We had somebody do on customizing. We had a diorama. So the Virtual Blythe Retreat is pretty packed. And it's over this year, but Tammy and I are already discussing next year's. We've got the theme picked out already. So be listening for that. But back to Jaylah here. She is the doll of the week this week. I do have more information on her in an unboxing that I did. Actually did it with Tammy. So I'll leave a link down in the description box below. So if you're curious about her in more detail, you could check that video out. Thanks for joining us, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.